The main thing to Korean cooking is rice. Every meal has rice. Along with the rice, usually we serve kimchi. You can serve meat. You could serve something called pajin, which is a bunch of little vegetables and pickled things to go with the rice, but always we have rice. I'm going to show you the kimchi, which is right here. This is store-bought kimchi, and it looks like this. This was Chinese cabbage, and it was pickled in a special process and then spiced. And this is what we would eat with our rice, along with meat or stew or anything like that. But mainly rice. It's the primary carbohydrate that fills our bellies and makes us feel satisfied. So, it's also really important the kind of rice that we use, and I'm going to show you that.